Hi guys, so as you guys can see from the title, I am here to share with you guys what it is that I'm bringing on a vacation. We are leaving for 10 days. I don't think I would be wearing makeup for 10 days, but I'm going to bring stuff just in case for a date night, somewhere nice and fancy. Most of the time, I'm sure we're going to be in a body of water with the kids, so I'm not expecting to use a lot, but I want to have options. And the other thing that I do when I'm on vacation is I technically am a little bit nervous bringing my good stuff. So I bring stuff that I do enjoy, but that if it gets lost, broken, left behind, I'm not crying because I literally lost $50, $60 in just one product. You'll see a little trend there when it comes to my products, because there are some things that I would love to bring as a travel palette, as a travel item, but it's too expensive for me to babysit because my priority is my kids and my family, obviously. And if one of these makeup items get left behind, I'm not going to be upset because it's not something that I'm just like, oh my goodness, I just lost $69 on the Natasha Denona palette that I broke because I dropped or I left behind at the place. So just to give you guys a heads up, that's exactly how I kind of pack my stuff. So if you're interested to see what I'm bringing, stay tuned. So let's start off with complexion products. I don't think I will use this one too much, but I will bring this with me. This is the It Cosmetics CC Plus SPF 50. This is in the color light. This is mainly for those date nights. We're hoping to have a date night out there, at least one or two, or somewhere nice and fancy that we may go to. So I kind of want to have a little bit more put together look, but I don't think I'll be reaching for this one too much. It'll just be like a no foundation kind of makeup days. But I am bringing this just in case, and it's being well loved. So we're going to continue using this one. For concealer, I'm only bringing this one. This is the Lancome Tint Idol. I would prefer to bring my MAC, but it's glass and I'd rather it not break. And this is one of those few things that I know I will be using more often, and I'd rather not bring a cheap alternative, even though I don't have a cheap alternative. So I would be sad if this gets left behind, but for this category, I don't have a choice, and I know I'm going to babysit this more because I don't want this left behind, but this is one of my favorites and I love it. For face primer, I'm just going to bring this little Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. This is one that I have been using, but it's just perfect. It's enough. It's a travel size one. It's in the universal sheer. This is just perfect to bring, and I do like it. So this is for targeted areas on my face. For powder, I am bringing my Charlotte Tilbury Airless Flawless Finish. Now, you're saying again, Alex, that's expensive. Yes, but I don't have much of this. So this is all that I have left. I've already repressed it. And this is going to be used under my eyes and all over the face. It doesn't look heavy. And because there's only so much left of it, if God forbid this gets left behind, I'm not going to be upset about it. So I am bringing this one. Setting powder. I cannot go on vacation without bringing the Urban Decay All Nighter. I need this makeup to last, even if I don't have any foundation. So this has just enough for my 10 days. There's not much left in here, but I really do enjoy this one and I need it. Mascara. This is the only thing I'm bringing for mascara. This is my Chanel Noir Allure Mascara. This is a pretty good one. And so far it's been doing very, very well for me during the summer times and the humidity. I can kind of get away with it in my lower lash line. I have yet to see it flake or smudge or smear. On my upper lash lines, it's beautiful. So I am bringing this one, and it is travel size, so that's perfect. Eye primer. This is the only eye primer I have, so I have no choice. This is my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I don't have much of it. I am like down to like there. As you guys can see, I'm like right there. So I have just enough and then some, so when I come back. So I will be bringing this with me. For brows, these are the two things I'm bringing for brows. This is the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil in Dark Brown. This is what I'm using now currently. What it is, the only thing that I have for my brows, so I'm bringing this along with the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. This is a brow gel in clear. So these two are coming with me because this is all that I have to bring, so we're bringing it. Eyeliner, I'm bringing my Makeup Forever in M60. This is all that I have left. This is perfect for upper lash line, tight line, and waterline for those days that I want to look a little bit smoky. It is perfect and tiny, perfect for travel. For highlighter, I'm bringing my Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I don't want to share with you guys where I stand with it, but this is the one that I have in my project pan. So I'll be bringing this with me solely because I'm almost done with it, not necessarily because I want to, but I am bringing a second one in here, and that's my Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. They no longer make it in a duo. It's now a full pan. This is in the number 2. So I decided to bring this one along because it looks so pretty on my skin right now because of my tan. It looks perfect. And this bronzer shade can be used as a crease shade because you'll see what I'm bringing for eyeshadow and it'll surprise you, but I can use this as actual eyeshadow on my eyes. For cream bronzer, this is all that I'm bringing. This is the cream bronzer by Anastasia and Amber. This is perfect because I could just dip my finger in and put it where I need to or put a brush in here. I don't have pan in here, but this is good because it's not going to spill in my bag, God forbid. I was going to bring my liquid one from Physicians Formula, but again, this one I trust a little bit more as far as travel-wise, and I don't think I'll lose this. I hope I don't lose this. The other bronzer that I have is my Laura Geller Tropic Hues, the one that I am currently panning. I will share a swatch with you guys so then you guys can see that not only can I use it as a bronzer, but I can use it as an eyeshadow crease shade as well. So this is why I'm also bringing this one along. The only eyeshadow that I'm bringing is my Cargo Windsor. This is a matte eyeshadow setting shade that I have. This is the only powder eyeshadow I am bringing. I'm not bringing anything else, you guys, because I don't want it to break or lose. I can't decide what palette to bring, so I decided I'm not bringing any palettes at all. So this is the only powder shadow I'm bringing. For blush, I'm bringing 3 blushes. And these 3 blushes, God forbid, they get left behind, I'm not going to get upset about. They're all 3 different shades, so I'll share with you guys. The first one is this LA Girls Soft Matte Cream Blush in the color Blissful. This is like that burnt orangey color that I love, and it is in a squeezy tube, so I don't have to worry about it leaking as far as a liquid blush or anything. So that's what this one looks like. It's really pretty, something I love, but it's $2.99, so if I lose it, I'm not going to be bent out of shape. This is the ColourPop in Darling. I love this one as well. I would be sad if I saw this gone, but I have other shades, and this one's not that expensive once again. And it is different from the one from LA Girl. So I figured, okay, justify that one. It's a different means. And last but not least, if I wanted a pink, this is the LYS in Unforgettable. I'm not sure if this is a permanent one or one that was just for that limited edition. But it's more like a watermelon-y kind of color. So it's not super pink, but it's like a deeper color. So all 3 of these look different. This is like a burnt orange, a shimmer, or not a shimmery, like it has a sheen to it in kind of like an apricot-y color. And then this is more like a juicy watermelon color. So I thought all these 3 would be perfect for any of those days where it makes me look alive, put together. But if they were to get lost, I'm not going to be upset. Last but not least, these are the eyeshadows that I am planning on bringing. I'm not bringing anything powder because I'm using my bronzer as far as a crease shade. So first up is this Maybelline Shadow Stick in Cafe au Lait. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but this one is, let me swatch over here. This one's a matte, but it's a cool tone matte, but it's dark enough for me when I buff it out. It's just enough. So I'm bringing this one along for a matte eyeshadow stick. I love these from Tarte. This is the golden brown one. So this one's like a deep brown with some shimmer to it. It looks beautiful all over the lid. So if I want a really smoky eye, I have that one. I could pair these 2 together and that would look beautiful. The other Tarte one that I want to bring is called Burnt Copper. This one's a lot more summery-esque. It has more brown to it than black, as you guys can see. And it's just a sheen, not necessarily glitter running through it. Then I could not go on vacation without bringing something like this. This is the Hard Candy Cold Brew. This is like that rustic color I absolutely love during the summertime. And then the last but not least is Nude Stick in Rustique, which is more of a brownie. Can you guys see them there? More of like a brown. So this is the Nude Sticks. Has a little bit more orange to it. This is Cold Brew by Hard Candy. This one's the copper one by Tarte. This one's the bronze by Tarte. And then Cafe au Lait, the only matte one. So between all of these, I can make an eye look. Whether it's smoky, sheared out, I could do whatever I'd like with these. But I'm excited because as much as I want to bring an eyeshadow palette, this is what I'm reaching for. These are going to be easy. I can blend these out with one brush and be on with the rest of my day. And these will last through sweat because This is what I've been playing around with constantly. So I can see myself being okay with this. So this is what we're going to do. And then I have my bronzers if I want. And actually, I can also use my eyeshadow, my blushes, cream blushes, as eyeshadow if I want to as well. All right, guys, so this is what we have. This is all that I am bringing, and my bag is bigger than this, so this is just enough for me to do. I don't need a lot of variety, a lot of different foundations or powders or anything. This is tried and true. I've already played around with this kind of stuff on my face here, so I know this lasts, and I don't intend to wear makeup all 10 days. So I know that this is just for those days that we have something nice to go to. I just want to look put together. So this does not include my eyeshadows. I'm probably going to bring like 6 eyeshadow brushes, including face brushes, my sponge, and my sharpener. That's it. This is all that I'm bringing on vacation for 10 days. I don't think it's excessive. What do you guys think? This is not even going to fill up my bag. I'll show you my bag. So this is my makeup bag that I am bringing. And you guys, I can fit on both ends, and I don't think I'll fill this up. I'm pretty sure that this will not be filled up to the max. So I think that I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. So this is my makeup bag right here. And this can go either in my carry-on or in my makeup, my luggage. I haven't decided yet. It all depends because I don't know if this passes for a liquid, if I can make it. I can't stand the whole, oh, is it under this, under that? So I just rather not deal with it and just put it all in my checked-in bag. But anyway, this is what we're bringing, you guys. I am very excited. I can't wait. By the time you guys see this video, I might already be on vacation, but I wanted to share with you guys what it was that I'm bringing so then you guys have an idea. I'm multitasking products like this. Multitask, I can use this as an eyeshadow both ways, highlighter, same thing here. And I also have a blush in there if I wanted to use Tropic Hues as a blush there as well. I like those split pans for that reason. I'm trying to multitask my products as much as possible. And I think I did a pretty good job, at least for myself. At least I know I did a good job for me. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Am I missing anything? Should I add anything? Do I have enough variety? Would you be okay with a set of makeup like this for your vacation? Or is this too much? Is it too little? I don't know. I think it's right for me, though. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, bye.